This is just a brief update of our Chapter 329 in the FDM, the 2020 version. Section 329.2, the key sheet, was updated to show that the landscape plans are to be consistent with the basis of estimates. Section 329.4, tabulation of quantities and plant schedule. This was updated. The reference to Exhibit 329-2 was removed. Section 329.6.1 added mowing limits to the required information that landscape architects are to provide on the plans. Also, we state that the detail sheet should include a legend that clearly depicts the symbology of the irrigation components. Section 329.7, which is our landscape detail sheet, these changes clarify that standard plans index 580-1 is for route establishment purposes only, not for when bracing trees or palms for safety considerations. So when trees or palms are over 30 foot in overall height, or if the trees or palms are within falling distance of a roadway, a pedestrian or bike route, the designer is to provide their own bracing details, signed and sealed. So again, clarifying that fact, the landscape architect is to provide their own bracing details when the tree or palm is within falling distance of a road, pedestrian, or bike route, if the tree or palm is over 30 feet in height, if you're installing landscape in an area that's exposed to higher wind speeds, so maybe along coastal areas or areas along the Everglades that see higher wind gusts. If you're installing landscape in areas that have non-standard soil properties, if you're using plants that have non-standard plant dimensions, if you're installing plants where the root ball exceeds 4 foot in diameter, and also you're installing those plants on a 1 to 3 slope or steeper. So that would apply to a lot of our embankment plantings. And if the tree or palm bracing impedes the line of sight or clear sight triangles, then the designer should also provide their own bracing details. And that's it for our updates on Chapter 329.